Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to share my complete weekly forecast for gold, Euro USD and Bitcoin using a simple price action approach based on support and resistance. No complicated strategies, just clean levels, market structure and high probability setups. Make sure you watch till the end because I will show you the exact zones where I am planning my trades this week. Let's get started. So I'll start with gold. Okay. So starting with the gold on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that the price is currently reacting near major supply zone, and we are forming a bearish weekly candle last week. This indicates that selling pressure is active at this level. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, we have a bullish engulfing candle inside the supply zone, which adds confirmation. Now, coming up to the daily time frame, we saw price reacting inside the demand zone here, where initially we got a bearish candle showing hesitation from buyers, but after that we saw a strong bullish engulfing candle, which suggests that buyers stepped in strongly and took control. So this tells us that buyers are still active from demand, but price is also near higher resistance, which creates a conflict zone or decision area. Now switching to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, price is currently near a resistance zone. This. Now this gives us two clear scenarios. First, the sell scenario. If price shows rejection from this zone, I'll look for sell trades targeting lower support, which is this. And the other is the buy scenario. If price breaks and closes above resistance, I will wait for a retest, closing of this zone, wait for retest and then look for buy confirmation. And switching to 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame I will look for break of structure and break of this support, resistance, retest and then continuation before entering. The key insight is that so overall gold is in a decision zone between demand sprint and supply pressure. So we will wait for the reaction first, then we will decide our direction. Now we will analyze Euro USD. Now switching to Euro USD on weekly time frame, we see the candle, the last week candle closing as a bullish. So also it is near the resistance zone on this time frame. So this also shows indecision. But until or unless we on the daily time frame we see a breakout of this trend line, will stay bullish. Will stay bullish and we saw the breakout of this resistance as well. So but the price want to test that resistance first, and on 4 hour time frame price is holding above support this. If support continues to hold, I'll look for buy setups targeting resistance, this sell scenario. If support breaks this, then we will shift bias, look for sell confirmation, and we will target this trend. On 1 hour time frame, I'll again wait for the break of this zone for the selling trade, and this stays the same across all the lower time frames as well, in 30 minutes and in the 15 minutes. So, and now talking about Bitcoin. First we will analyze the weekly time frame. We saw a bullish candle a week before, and this week candle is a very indecisive candle, sort of doji candle, but we saw a breakout of this zone. So my view is that we can see Bitcoin going to the level of 90,000 soon. On daily time frame, price is currently near the resistance zone, and if it breaks this resistance, as I talked before, we can see Bitcoin reaching to 90,000 levels. So the buy scenario, if we see a clean breakout above this resistance, we can expect a strong move and price can push towards the 90,000 level. And the alternative scenario, if resistance hold, price may continue to consolidate here in this zone, or it can start pulling back to 72,000 levels. Now, Bitcoin right now is not trending, not reversing. It is building momentum for a strong breakout. These days we could see it is just building momentum. So, summarizing all the three setups, in gold, we saw conflict between supply and demand, sell on rejection, buy on breakout. On EURUSD, demand is holding, buy if support holds, sell if it breaks. Bitcoin, indecision on weekly, breakout. We see a breakout on daily time frame, Bitcoin will move towards the 90,000 level. That's my plan for this week. Now I want to know your view. Do you think Bitcoin will break this resistance this week? Drop your answers in the comment section. I will read each one of them. If you found this helpful, please do like, subscribe, and comment, and stay consistent. I will see you in the next one.